Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube account. To change your YouTube account, you can either switch to a different account that's already signed in, or you could try adding an account. And here's how you can do it. Open your YouTube app, and in the bottom right corner, there's your profile icon. Tap on that. And in the top, we can see there's a switch account option. Tap on that and simply switch on one of the account you want to open. And if you want to add a new account, what you have to do is in the bottom right corner, there's your account. Go over there and tap on the switch account again. And in the right hand side of the accounts option, there's a plus option. Tap there. And in order to sign in, you have to type down your email address and again type down your password. And then you just added a new account after that. And this is it guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to change your YouTube account. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.